I'm so excited to share this with you. You can now design, develop, and launch your website directly in Figma. Today, we are going to explore Figma Sites together and see how it works. Ready? Let's get started. I've already created a new project, so let's click the Create button to see what new option we have. There are two new options, Buzz and Sites. We'll cover Buzz in another video. For now, let's try Sites, and that brings us into the site editor. We can either use templates or start with a blank site from scratch. Let's explore the templates. We can view all or browse through different categories and choose one. Let's pick something from portfolio section. Preview the template. Looks good. Let's use it. Wow! On the left side, we have two sections, web pages and layers. Let's zoom in on the home page to see what we've got. There are 3 different screen sizes, of course, 3 breakpoints. Amazing. The same setup applies to the other 2 pages as well. Let's preview it and see how it really works. It's fully responsive. Desktop is the primary breakpoint. Any changes we make here automatically trigger multi-edit across all other frames. For example, if I delete this part of text, you'll see the change reflected across all breakpoints. But if I go to the mobile frame and make a change, let's say I delete a different piece of text, you'll see that the change applies only to this frame. Nice. Now let's see how we can add a section to our web page. I want to insert a new section here. Let's go to the Insert tab and check out what's available under Blocks. We've got options like Pages, Navigation, Heroes, Features, and Embeds. Let's try embeds and insert a YouTube video right here. See, it's automatically added to the other frames too. Now let's select the video, go to the design panel, and under layout, set the width to fill container, just like auto layout. Paste the YouTube link in the URL field. You can change some settings here, but we'll leave them as they are for now. Let's preview again. Scroll down to find the embedded video. Try switching between different breakpoints. Amazing. Everything works perfectly. Let's go back to the editor, open the File tab, and click Publish. We can set a site title, and Figma gives us a free subdomain. In the admin panel, you can even connect your custom domain. Next time, we'll create a website from scratch and connect it to custom domain. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate and create.